getting a hang of the makeup. It's this cap that is helping this makeup. My hair underneath is this foundation I got. I actually use a black lip liner for my lips because I feel like it works for me more. Black lip liners works for me more than brown liners. I use this mattifying lip stain by, it says Color Time. It's actually matte. It gives this matte finishing that doesn't clean up quickly. This concealer, Second Skin by 𝖸Say, my bronzer and contour palette by 𝖸Say. My crojo is back. Like for like 3 days I've been crocheting now behind the scenes. This is my space where I did my makeup. This is me. Another parcel came in from AliExpress, so we have 2 parcels, and I'm going to be fast about it because my camera is about to die on me. So let's do this faster and quick. I told the speed up office lady that if my parcel comes, she should wait for it for the second one to come, just so I'll not be going to the parcel office every time. Oh, you guys, this is actually a makeup set brush cleaner, but it's looking rather too small. Looking small. I hope it does the job. I'm going to try it out with my makeup brush maybe this evening. Just hope it does the job. But anyhow, that's it. And the second parcel I have here is, I'm trying to be fast because of my camera. It's this adapter for my iPhone. So this works for my iPhone. I plug this into my camera, into my phone, my iPhone, and then I put my memory card here, and then I'm able to collect this particular video I am making now from the memory card and straight to my iPhone so I can edit with it. So you guys, so this is the week of that brunch with Moms That Brunch and 𝑦𝑑𝑒LLO. So I told you guys some days back that I'm trying to do this just so I can practice my makeup, because I don't want to pay any makeup artist. I want to make up myself for that occasion. So today I did another makeup. I just finished filming a video. I don't know how that video is going to look like, but I'm going to be editing it very soon. So this is the makeup I did for that video, and this kinky hair you can see me wearing is actually a wig I made some months back, 3 or 2 months back. So what do you guys think about makeup? I'm getting a hang of it. Some of this I learned on TikTok. I learned how to apply my eyeshadow because I have hooded eyes, like my eyelid folds. So I learned how to apply my eyeshadow through TikTok, and then these matte lips is doing the job for me because I think I love matte lips for lipstick, but lip balm for general use. So, and I use my HD foundation. I don't think I've shown you guys that foundation. Let me just show you guys what that foundation looks like. So just hold on for me. So before I came to make this video, 𝑦𝑑𝑒LLO was just cracking me up, but I was just trying to laugh small so that my makeup will not spoil, because I'm trying to see if I can carry it for some time before I clean it up. So this is the foundation, the HD foundation. Currently I have 3 foundations. I have LB, I have HD, I have 𝖸Say. So this one is the HD Studio Finish foundation with SPF 30. So I'm just loving all my foundations. I'm going to show you guys, insert some pictures of what the LB foundation looks like. I'm going to insert little photos for you guys. So this is what it looks like in there. It's actually nice, and all my foundations are matte. they give matte finishing because I am oily skin, so I use matte foundations. So that's the update on my makeup. So far, I've been taking drugs for like 2 days now, and the antibiotics injection is so painful. It's so painful that currently now I don't even. I was supposed to go and take the another third one today, but the part that the injection was given to me is still paining me till this point. And this is few minutes to when I'm supposed to take it, so I'm still contemplating, should I go or should I not go. I ended up going because I just had to take my drugs. So when I got there, I started complaining about the fact that the thing is so painful. So the other nurse, which is like the senior nurse, had to now give me the injections, and lo and behold, it was so painless. There was no pain. So it now got me thinking that, so I've been receiving pain from the other one, because that means her hand is actually the one that was inflicting me with such pain. So I thank God I was able to take my drugs because I want to feel better. The watermelon is not that sweet.
Don't overthink things, baby, 'cause I know that you do. You've been a stranger lately, and I know that's not you. Easy come, easy go, no need to fight about it. Easy come, easy.
So far, I just came back to the house after all those morning school runs, and I just want to rest a little bit before I wash my brushes, my makeup brushes. So guys, today was actually Prosper's fruit show and tell presentation day, so I had to. That's why I was wearing helter skelter for those fruit. So guys, I told you guys that my crojo is back. Like, I've started crocheting again. So this is the front part of the jacket I'm making for myself. Like the front parts. So far, I'm going to be testing out this soap, this brush washer I bought, mini one. So there's actually soap inside this. So let's see if it will work. Actually small, but it's in the job shop. So after washing, what I like to do is to take my, like an handkerchief, and dry it this way. Like, remove the excess water this way. So look at the handkerchief. not bad, it's clean now. And then I just set it aside. See how clean the brush looks. So see how clean it looks. So he did a good job even though it's small. So I will just set this aside. So far, this is what we look like after washing. Everything looks clean. So I'm just going to take it outside and allow it to air dry